Pros and cons of having a water softener for your house. Dear friends, have you ever noticed that it takes more time to wash the soap from your hair when you shower? Do you lack substantial water pressure in your home? Do you see mineral stains on your dishes even after they have come out of the dishwasher? Well, that may mean you have hard water flowing to your home. To conclusively find out if your home has hard water, you'll need to conduct a water hardness test to check for high calcium levels in the water. These tests can be purchased online or conducted by a professional plumber. There are some factors that may be strong indicators that you have hard water in your neighborhood and area. If your home is located in a region that was built on limestone or your home draws water from a well, you likely have hard water and may want to consider installing a water softener in your home. You may be asking yourself, what does a water softener do? To be clear, there are both disadvantages and advantages to installing a water softener in your home. Watch on to find out everything you need to know about hard water versus soft water and the benefits of water softeners. Pros of installing a home water softener system. One of the glaring benefits of investing in a water softener is that it reduces the hardness of the water coming into your home, meaning less soap and detergents needed to adequately bath and clean clothes. Reduces staining and limescale buildup on dishes, fixtures, and in your shower, bathtub. You'll save money on your utility bill for hot water usage due to less corrosion in your hot water heater tank. Water softeners only remove minerals that are responsible for causing hardness and nothing else. Cons of installing a water softener. Doesn't provide favorable drinking water. Subjectively, soft water doesn't taste as good as hard water and doesn't provide the calcium ions that some need in their drinking water for stronger teeth and bones. A water softener is not a substitute for a home filtration system as it doesn't remove lead or other heavy metals. Installing a water softener may lead to a higher heavy metal count in your home's drinking water. This could impact not only your health, but your home's plumbing system in negative ways. At the end of the day, it depends on personal preference. Many homeowners install water softeners because it is better for bathing and showering since it isn't as harsh on hair and skin. And while it's a fair trade on how both hard and soft water impacts your plumbing system, it will be up to the homeowners whether or not a water softener is the right investment for them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.